Question number 11 deals with parametric equation. That means the Cartesian equation will be broken down into two separate equations using a third variable called the parameter. In this case, the parameter is t. So question number A, we have to find the value of t at the point A. So the point A is a Cartesian point that has x coordinate 5 and y coordinate 3. We can use any of the coordinate to find the value of t. So at A, we can write x equals to 5. So let's put the value of x over here. So 10 cos 2t equals to 5. Therefore, cos 2t is 5 by 10, which is half. Now, since we have to find the value of t, we don't have to worry about the arbitrary angle and what happens in the first quadrant and second quadrant. We just find the value of t. So 2t equals to cos inverse of half. Cos inverse of half is going to be 60 degree or pi by 3. Therefore, t equals to pi by 6. Just a straightforward solving the equation. In question number B, we have to find the equation of a normal. To show that the equation is this is the same as just finding the equation. Now, for finding the equation of a line, we need the point through which the line passes, and we also need to know the gradient. So, for finding the gradient for our parametric equation, we have to use a chain rule. dy by dx equals to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. It's just like any C1 question, but here we have to use the chain rule for finding the gradient from a parametric equation. So let's start. If we differentiate y, we get dy by dt. So 6 is a constant, and sine t, if you differentiate it, is cos t. And if you do dx by dt, then 10 is a constant. Derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta, which is 2t. And the chain rule is d by dt of 2t is 2. So, therefore, dy by dx is going to be dy by dt, which is 6 cos t, divided by dx by dt, which is minus 20 sine 2t. So, this is going to be 2 3s are 6 cos t. And we have 2 10s are 20, so minus 10. Now if we can break this sine 2t, we can write 2 sine t cos t, but we don't have to break this. It's not necessary that we break it. It's alright. Now we need to find the gradient. We just found the derivative of dy by dx. This is not the gradient. The gradient is when we put the value of t. So at the point A, t equals to pi by 6. So dy by dx is going to be 3 cos pi by 6 divided by minus 10 sine 2 times pi by 6, which is pi by 3. And the gradient turns out to be dy by dx equals to cos pi by 6 means cos 30 degree, and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, and minus 10 sine pi by 3 meaning sine 60 degree, and that is also root 3 by 2. And these two cancels off, and we have minus 3 by 10. This is the gradient of the curve at the point A. Remember, at the point A, t equals to pi by 6. We have to think in terms of the parameter t. So for finding the equation of a normal, we need to know the gradient of the normal. So gradient of the normal is minus 1 by m2, which is minus 1 by minus 3 by 10, which turns out to be 10 by 3. So if you remember the equation of the line from the point slope form, if you have a line that passes through the point x1 y1 and it has a gradient of m, then the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1, and that would be the equation of a line. So now we can write the equation of the normal line is going to be y minus y1. So the y1 is going to be 3 equals to m, which is 10 by 3. X minus x1 is going to be 5. If we cross multiply, 3y minus 9 equals to 10x minus 50, and our expression is going to be 3y equals to 10x minus 41. Now in question number C, we have to find a point of intersection. The problem is the equation of the curve is in parametric form, but the equation of the perpendicular line or normal line is in Cartesian form. So how do you solve simultaneous equation when you have one equation in Cartesian form and the other equation in the parametric form? So now what we have to do for solving an equation like that is we have to plug in the parametric version of x and y into the Cartesian version. So this is going to be So 3, in case of y, let's put 6 sine t equals to 10. In place of x, let's put 10 cos 2t and minus 41. So this is the first step. Now let's simplify this. So 6 3s are 18 sine t equals to 10 tens 100. Now we know cos 2t is 1 minus 2 sine squared t minus 41. And in the simplest form, this is going to be 18 sine t equals to 100 minus 200 sine squared t minus 41. So if we simplify this and bring everything in the quadratic format, it will be 200 sine squared t plus 18 sine t. Now 100 minus 41 is 59. So this is going to be minus 59 equals to 0. So this is something that it's better to use substitution. So let sine t be a. So 200a squared plus 18a minus 59 equals to 0. Now it's a bit tough to do middle term break. So let's go directly to quadratic formulas. It is going to be a equals to minus b, which is minus 18, plus minus square root of b squared, which is 18 squared, minus 4ac. So 4a is 200 and c is minus 59 divided by twice a. Twice a is 200. So this is going to be a equals to minus 18 plus minus square root of, so let's bring out the calculator. So 18 square, so 18 squared minus 400 into 200 is 800, minus minus plus, so plus 800 multiplied by 59. That turns out to be 47524 divided by 400. So square root of that, so square root of 47524 is going to be 218. So minus 18 plus minus 218 divided by 400. So therefore a equals to minus 18 plus 218 divided by 400, which is going to be 218 minus 18 is 200. 200 by 400 is half. Or a equals to minus 18 minus 218 divided by 400, and this is going to be, so 218 and 18, that is minus 236 divided by 400, that is going to be 5.59 or 59 by 100 in the exact form. One more thing, this is going to be negative. I forgot the negative sign. This is going to be negative. So they use the word exact. Now the word exact means it cannot be in decimals. It has to be in fraction or square root. Now we know that at the point A, as we put the value at the point A, that cos 2t is half. Again, if we put 3, then it would be sine t equals to half at the point A. You can just check over here because one of the expression is sine t. So you can do it in the long way, finding the value of t and then plug it in and checking which point is A and which point is B. But we already know if we put y equals to 3, 3 by 6 is half, sine t is half. So to find the exact value of B, what we have to do, we have to plug in the other value. So we put the value of sine t as minus 59 by 100 in the x coordinate, and then we put the value of that value in the y coordinates. Remember, in case of cos 2t, we have to break it down into the 1 minus 2 sine squared t, so that we can put the value of sine t as minus 59 by 100 whole square, and the calculator value turns out to be 1519 by 500. And in case of the y coordinate, it is already in sine t format. We don't have to do any trigonometric identities. And remember, they ask for the exact coordinate. So that is going to be b x coordinate 1519 by 500 and y coordinate minus 177 by 50. And that is the answer.